Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome to the channel. It's Mitchy Boy here, and just thought I'll do a video and share it to speed up your laptop. Mine's been running very slow lately, and just done a few things to try and improve the speed, and it seems to have worked. Don't know why my computer's just become, it's not charging, but don't know what's up with that. There was supposed to be a power cut, but the Wi-Fi seems to still be on. There we go. So yeah, sorry about that. The first thing that you want to do is come to your search bar and go to run. Okay, I think it wasn't lagging. Run CMD. So go to run CMD. Alright, percentage sign and then go temp percent. Okay. No, not prefetch, you prick. Alright. These are all temp deleted a whole lot like 2 days ago, and as you can see there's like a whole lot more now. So you just want to select them all, press Ctrl A and then delete. So even Screen-O-Matic, the thing I'm using right now, has put a file on there, and this actually cleared up 1 GB of space for me, which is a fair bit for just like temporary files. Yeah, first thing I did, deleted all that. Didn't seem to make like a whole lot of difference, but I guess everything helps. The next thing to do is to go to your search bar, go to Control Panel. Okay, so the next thing we do is we go to Control Panel, we go to Uninstall a Program. So yeah, you just want to go through and maybe look for stuff that you don't use, and just click on it and then go uninstall. Be up here. If you're on Windows 10, might be in a different place on other ones, but I don't know what this Creative Cloud is. I was thinking I probably should uninstall that. But yeah, just go through and uninstall a few programs that you don't use. There's probably like heaps of stuff on here that you notice that you never actually use anyway, and some of it probably takes up a fair bit of room. There used to be something on here that would like say how often you use it too, so base step. The third step is you want to come down to your taskbar, right click and go to Task Manager. Alright, so Task Manager open, we go to Startup, and you just want to disable stuff that you don't really want to start up with your computer. This makes the startup a lot slower with like too much stuff that it has to boot up, and also it probably uses your internet too, makes your internet slower. A lot of the stuff's probably like connecting to the internet, and you know, syncing and stuff. Well, doing stuff like that, I don't really know. But so like for example Skype, you just want to right click on it. Mine's already enabled, but it will say enable, so if it's enabled you want to click disable, and just go through and just, you know, decide what you need and what you don't. And another thing is, this says startup impact. What kind of impact it has on your, well, obviously say none if it's disabled, but some say high. You probably want to leave that on though, because it's your speakers, I think, or yeah, speakers. Saying like Google is low, but yeah, so that's 3 things I've done. It seems to be running faster. It was running faster before. It's actually been a bit while I've been filming this video. However, the Screen-O-Matic screen recorder always does seem to slow it down a bit. But yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. Hopefully that helps you. Probably going to try and like do a few more things, see if I can find out, like see if I can figure out something to speed it up. But it's going like super slow for me the last few days before this, so this one here actually made the biggest difference, I would say. Turning off some of these programs that start up with the laptop. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So cheers for watching, and I'll see you guys later.